Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is Information and Communication Technology, ICT, Set 1. Question number 1. Which command is used to insert slides from one presentation into another presentation? Option A. Reuse slides. Option B. Recycle slides. Option C. None of the above. Option D. All the above. The correct answer is Option A. Reuse slides. When you import a slide from one presentation to another, it is simply a copy of the original. Changes you make to the copy do not affect the original slide in the other presentation. Question number 2. The Central Processing Unit, CPU, consists of Option A. Input, output and processing. Option B. Control unit, primary storage, and secondary storage. Option C. Control unit, arithmetic logic unit and primary storage. Option D. Control unit, processing, and primary storage. The correct answer is Option C. Control unit, arithmetic logic unit and primary storage. The two typical components of a CPU include the following: the arithmetic logic unit, ALU, which performs arithmetic and logical operations; the control unit, CU, which extracts instructions from memory and decodes and executes them, calling on the ALU when necessary. Question number 3. A large number of computers in a wide geographical area can be efficiently connected using Option A. Twisted pair lines. Option B. Coaxial cables. Option C. Communication satellites. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is Option C. Communication satellites. A communication satellite is an artificial satellite that relays and amplifies radio telecommunication signals via a transponder. It creates a communication channel between a source transmitter and a receiver at different locations on Earth. Question number 4. Which of the following is used in banking industry? Option A. MICR. Option B. OMR. Option C. All of above. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is Option A. MICR, Magnetic Ink Character Recognition, MICR, is the information that appears at the bottom of a check. This includes the bank's routing number, the customer's account number, and the check number. Question number 5. A sequence of instruction, software, that is substituted for hardware and stored in read-only memory, ROM, is called Option A. Integrated circuit. Option B. Firmware. Option C. Flip-flop. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Option B. Firmware. Software refers to a collection of programs. Firmwares act as a link between the hardware and the system. It is stored in read-only memory. Question number 6. Which of the following devices is specially designed to forward packets to specific ports based on the packet's address? Option A. Port hub. Option B. Switching hub. Option C. Filtering hub. Option D. Specialty hub. The correct answer is Option B. Switching hub. A switch, which resembles a hub, is known as switching hub. It can operate with multiple media, coaxial cable, UTP, and fiber. Question number 7. Memory unit is one part of Option A. Input device. Option B. Control unit. Option C. Output device. Option D. Central Processing Unit. The correct answer is option D. Central processing unit. The computer memory is a temporary storage area. It holds the data and instructions that the central processing unit, CPU, needs. Question number 8. The quickest and easiest way in Word to locate a particular word or phrase in a document is to use the command. Option A. Replace. Option B. Find. Option C. Look up. Option D. Search. The correct answer is option B. Find. The quickest and easiest way in Word to locate a particular word or phrase in a document is to use the find command. Question number 9. N takes a value or values, performs an operation, and returns a result to the cell. Option A. Cell. Option B. Function. Option C. Argument. Option D. All the above. The correct answer is option B. Function. Select a blank cell that you want to place the return value, and type this formula equals index A1 colon A8, match T1, A1 colon A8, 0, 1, 1. Press enter key to return the value. Question number 10. A notation for defining the form and structure of data is known as option A. Data description language. Option B. Binary language. Option C. Data channel. Option D. Data definition language. The correct answer is option D. Data definition language. A DDL is a language used to define data structures and modify data. For example, DDL commands can be used to add, remove, or modify tables within a database. Question number 11. The term MIPS refers to option A. Millions of instructions per second. Option B. Megabytes of instructions per second. Option C. Millions input processor set. Option D. Multi-inductance processing system. The correct answer is option A. Millions of instructions per second. MIPS stands for million instructions per second. It is a method of measuring the raw speed of a computer's processor. Question number 12. Track and sector is associated with option A. Data storage on disk. Option B. Artificial intelligence. Option C. Display resolution. Option D. Space and random access memory. The correct answer is option A. Data storage on disk. Each platter is divided into concentric rings called tracks, and each track is divided into sectors. Question number 13. The core of an operating system is option A. Unix. Option B. Kernel. Option C. Command.com. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is option B. Kernel. Kernel is the core part of an operating system which manages system resources. It also acts like a bridge between application and hardware of the computer. Question number 14. The primary output device for computers is a option A. Video monitor. Option B. Keyboard. Option C. Mouse. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. Video monitor. Monitor is the primary output device to display interaction between user and computer system. Question number 15. Which is a hardware component or system of components that allows a human being to interact with a computer? Option A. Interface device, IDF. Option B. Musical digital instrument interface, MIDI. Option C. None of the above. Option D. All the above. The correct answer is Option A. Interface device, IDF. An interface device, IDF, is a hardware component or system of components that allows a human being to interact with a computer, a telephone system, or other electronic information system. Question number 16. Which part of the Central Processing Unit, CPU, performs calculation and makes decision? Option A. Arithmetic Logic Unit. Option B. Alternating Logic Unit. Option C. Alternate Local Unit. Option D. American Logic Unit. The correct answer is Option A. Arithmetic Logic Unit. A typical CPU has a number of components. The first is the Arithmetic Logic Unit, ALU, which performs simple arithmetic and logical operations. Second is the Control Unit, CU, which manages the various components of the computer. Question number 17. In Excel, to open an existing workbook, you can click the Open button on the toolbar. Option A. Drawing. Option B. Formatting. Option C. Forms. Option D. Standard. The correct answer is Option D. Standard. In Excel, to open an existing workbook, you can click the Open button on the Standard toolbar. Question number 18. The data mining technique derives rules from real-world case examples. Option A. Rule discover. Option B. Signal processing. Option C. Neural nets. Option D. Case-based reasoning. The correct answer is Option C. Neural nets. The neural nets data mining technique derives rules from real-world case examples. Question number 19. A computer system consisting of its processor, memory and I/O devices accepts data, processes it and produces the output results. Can you tell in which component is the raw data fed? Option A. Mass memory. Option B. Main memory. Option C. Logic unit. Option D. Arithmetic unit. The correct answer is Option D. Arithmetic unit. The main storage region of a computer, to which the central processor has immediate or direct access. Question number 20. In computer terminology, which of following describe device drivers? Option A. Hardware that allows interaction between peripheral device and the operating system. Option B. Software that allow the user to control the operating system. Option C. Software that allows interaction between peripheral device and the operating system. Option D. Software that allow the user to control the operating system. The correct answer is Option C. Software that allows interaction between peripheral device and the operating system. Device drivers are software you install to work with hardware with OS. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.